Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to create RAR or zip files on your EMPORIA Smart phone. So in order to do this, we'll need to download RAR app, and we've shown you how to do that in our other video. Now let's locate the file that we want to pack, and mine are located in the CIM and then camera. Those are two pictures I'm gonna pack into a RAR file. Now select each file that you want to pack and then press on this plus button. From here we can change archiving options, and the basic ones are to pick either you want to get a RAR or zip file, set the password, change the name, delete files after archiving, or create solid archive. For more advanced settings you can find them right here, and more options right here. In the comments you can leave any description about this RAR file, and when you're done click OK. And that way we'll create a RAR file. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.